Power on.
Guy. I don't know what is the English of lasing, huh? It's very dark. Yeah, all of. Hi guys. I'm going to the barangay. Punta tayo ng barangay. So, I don't know if I can upload this. Video is July 1 and my load is expired. My internet is expired na. Then, I don't have internet. So, yung maybe I don't know, but yes, maybe I can upload doing the piso Wi-Fi. So yeah, that's our house. No, their house. Sun going. It's very ano na dark outside, dark. You can see guys, it's very dark. Yeah, all over. Yeah, that's the sun. It's 2 o'clock. It's already 2 o'clock guys. So yeah, this is my way going in there. And also I have there's another way to go to the barangay in there, but I always use this. Gamit ko tong lagi guys, tong daan na to. Ang difficult, it's so hard to English. Oy, magtagalog na lang ako. Kyler, don't because I need to do Tagalog sometimes because I'm struggling with the English. So dito guys, pagdating ko ng tindahan, may nag-argue. They are arguing about the water, I think, and the payment. But, hindi ko na pa narinig yung mga pinag-uusapan nila kasi personal na yun. Pero itong laking ito ay medyo lasing to. And kilala ko to, so yan po. So hindi ko na, mahaba itong video na tinitake ko, pero konti lang yung ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan, papawin ako dito. Hi! Uwi na ako. Tagalog tayo. Uwi na ako guys. May doon, hubog. May lasing. Drunk guy. I don't know what is the English of lasing, huh? But yeah, there's a lasing in there. Drunk man? I don't know. Basta drunk. And they are fighting with the sales lady. I don't know, but I have a video naman, but in Bisaya. You don't understand. Wow, it's very ang itim ng kalangitan. It's really dark. So some people watching me. Tinitingnan nila ako habang nagvi-video, because parang I don't know, but I am also nag-vlog. So maybe people in here vlogging to Facebook, but I am vlogger on YouTube. Nag-away sila pang Bibi og si Loli. Agi sa tubig. Ang father. I am home. This the vegetables I've got. There's the vegetable I got, guys. I've got.
Total na. Kulang sa disiplina.
Power on.
So the store is in there. There. Quite far. Let's eat, guys. I don't have vinegar, rice, bulad, vegetables. I have vinegar, so yeah, bulad. So let's eat. So just done laundry. So I need to take all of that. All of that.
Kiri naman. Kabuyaw.
Kabuyaw.